Ovogene at ESHRE 2025. 4 oral speeches, 5 posters, and 1 mission to advance reproductive science. From June 29 to July 2nd, our international team will present 9 original research works at the 41st annual ESHRE meeting in Paris. Our topics span across AI-based oocyte selection, ultra-rapid vitrification, embryo transcriptomics, exosome therapy, stimulation protocols, mitochondrial replacement therapy, and cross-border reproductive care. Join us at ESHRE in Paris from June 29 to July 2nd, and let's connect in person. Whenever you are a partner clinic, embryologist, or clinician, we would be glad to meet, exchange ideas, and discuss what innovation means in your daily practice. Text us to schedule a meeting. Let's talk about science, strategy, and impact.